Hi guys, welcome to the Natural Green Store. Today we're going to be showing you the entire storefront and all the types of various pots that we have. These are the standing and self-watering pots. We have a wide range of plastic pots, each one of them specially manufactured and curated to your needs. You can come down to our store and have a look at all these different pots that we have, or you can order online on our website, that is the naturalgreenindia.com. We also have our sales in Flipkart and Amazon. That is a sand finish pot. These are the range of premium pots that we have. You can see the number of colors and variety that we bring upon. These are the self-watering pots. You can also see the number of colors that we have here. It's in two different sizes. That's a bigger version of the flower pot. That is the wave pot. The range of hanging pots that we have. These are the hook pots. And here are the metal hanging genie pots. Our pots have a very unique and design. And each one of them different from the other depending on the customer's liking. This is a larger self-watering pot. There's a range of square pots that we have, all in different colors. The amazing selling pots are the terracotta and the black, which are the standard colors. This is a flower pot. This is the premium pot that we have. All the different sizes of the square pots: 4-inch, 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12. These are the range of accessories that we have. The tools up there for all your gardening needs, and the gloves, each with its own special ability. There's another type of self-watering pot. These are the sprayers. We have each one of them in different volumes. The yellow big one right there is the 3-liter one, and the smaller one, or the white one, is 1.5, and the 500 ml one. There's another sunflower design pot that we have. All the stock that you see here, we have it ready and a minimum of 100 quantity. Depending on your requirements, we can set up to the production units that we have, and we can give you up to 1000 pots. We have these small spots for our succulents. There's a long rectangle pot. So all the pots of different sizes, each depending on what size of plant that you have. The bigger ones, we have the big pots. Our pots go to all the way up to 18 inches that you can see here. That is the nursery pot right there. 18 inches big. Major of the plants can come into that. And these are the watering cans, the 12 liter, the 5 liter, and the 10 liter one. We also sell blocks, that is cocoa peat and cocoa chips. Regarding the prices, we will be discussing each and every pot in the further videos to come, or you can just go to the website or onto Flipkart and Amazon, where we also sell these products as a retail fund. Please do come down to the store in case you want to have a look at the pots. We do sell online. Thank you.